What is it? A very interesting point. It finally hit the 30k mark. So this is a great example of what we mean by this channel, right? When you have a breakout, you get the volume spike. Normally, because what this is a confirmation. People are rushing into the market, and then this can push the price movement in a positive or negative direction. Either way, the volume is there and it gives it a larger candle. So we can see from this, it went from 28,000 into 30,000 within a day period after it broke out of this downward channel. So, let's do a little bit of a recap where potentially Bitcoin can go and some updates coming forward on the Coin Bureau Trading channel. So let's start with it. So first and foremost, I think the main thing we must identify is this downward channel now has finally been broken out. It's not a fake out, it is a fully confirmed breakout. With this breakout here, we can see the momentum pushed onto the middle section of this channel, pushed all the way up and now pushing further to test the 30k. Now, really and truly, I believe that we could potentially have a slight pullback unless we get some sort of news or some sort of outlet to send Bitcoin above the 30k and then finally to our next target at 34k. Now we have two trade ideas currently at the moment. Now these two trade ideas are correlating with the idea of the trend. So if we go back onto the daily chart, which is what we're on right now, we can see we've got higher highs, higher lows. This has respected 25k, bounce off this 25k as a support, retested our next resistance, which means that the overall momentum is looking to push higher across the board. Now the reason I have these two trade ideas is because if we have a pullback, this resistance will become a support, and the whole idea of this is basically, I believe that the $28,200 mark is going to be a key level. Now with this key level, and that being said, that is a support, that is a bounce off of the previous channel. So this is also where price is on this downward channel as another support. It's also moving averages are in favor. The 800 SMA and EMA are also pointing in favor, and the trend is in our favor as well. So there's around 5 confluences for this trade. So that's what you want to do, right? You always want to kind of understand the reasoning behind the trade. Now the next one is basically at the 30,000 mark. We're using this high of the year as our reference point as a support. Now with this support, what I'm suggesting is basically if price breaks above this resistance will then become a support, and the next movement or the next train of move will be from 30k to the 33,000 mark. So really and truly, there are some great trades now finally coming through. It was very difficult to trade between that April period until the 19th of June. Yes, you could have just bought and sold on the downward channel, but that's not part of my strategy. But then remember, you can trade in many different ways and they all work as long as you have the right confluences and the right strategy to approach them. So right guys, just want to quickly say, don't forget to join OKEx, which is up to $20,000 worth of bonuses, and a link in the description for their discount on trading fees. We will be having more and more announcement with OKEx coming forward, so if you do want to get involved, link in the description, exclusive for my Coin Bureau Trading family. All right, let's get back to the video. So just a quick update as well. I am going to Thailand and Hong Kong, so I'm going to be very busy over the next 2 weeks, but that doesn't stop content coming out for you guys here on Coin Bureau Trading. We've got a Q&A which is coming out next week. We're also going to still do a price analysis while I am out there. I'll do 1 or 2, and we will still be doing videos as an overall. It will just be dropped down as opposed to 5 videos we have Monday to Friday. We'll be down to 2 to 3 videos just over the next 2 weeks, and then we'll ramp them back up for 5 videos a week. So hope you guys enjoyed the quick little update that we have on Bitcoin. It's moving. I think it's going to be really interesting to see where price is going to go from here, and stay up to date on Twitter and on YouTube, the community tab. I will be sharing more and more info because I want to see what Bitcoin is doing next, and I'm sure you do too. So see you in the next one. Champ out. Peace.